Hello, this is me, Dylan Never Vlogs. The reason why you haven't seen me on the channel these past few weeks is because I've been really lazy. Towards the end of the trip, I've been getting burned out and just not really doing much. And just kind of slumming around, I haven't been filming or editing, is what I'm trying to say. And not because I didn't want to, just because I've been feeling really, really tired. And I know that's not an excuse for my complete lack of uploading. I'm really sorry. We are actually going to Paris next when I'm filming this. This is Eurocamp. And the last video I uploaded was in Istanbul. That is 2 months ago. I deeply apologize. Right now, that's it. I'm not doing any more than that because I don't want this to be cringy. It probably is, but I don't want it to be worse, is what I'm saying. And yeah, so I'm going to try to upload now. I'm done just in that slump. And so from now on, I will be trying to upload at least once to twice a week. I'm going to be editing as much as I can because I have like 8 videos to upload. Some of those are the walking tour of Budapest, which I know is technically supposed to come out before this short train video, but it's short. I wanted to get a video out there saying, I'm sorry, I've been lazy, and just talking about my uploading schedule, so that's what's going to come after this little clip. It's already been like 1 minute and 30 seconds of me talking, so I'm going to try and wrap it up quick. Some of the reasons, the minor reasons, besides my laziness, was obviously the major one, but some of the minor reasons why I haven't been uploading is the Toshiba's charger actually broke again, which means we have to finagle it to get it to charge, and so it's actually really hard to use it while it's charging, because if you bump it too much, it stops. And so, obviously, I haven't been able to play any games. I haven't actually opened, like, one of the games I love, like Mope de Dios, in weeks. And it's really difficult to edit. I've got it charging now, and I'm editing while I can, which is why this video is obviously out. But it's been really hard to edit. And so, that is a kind of medium reason why I couldn't edit. It's mostly been my laziness. I could still edit, but I'd have to do it in 1-hour bursts. That tour of the Grand Bazaar you saw was actually edited in 1 hour, 1 full laptop charge in an airport. And apparently some people think it's my best video. Don't worry, all the videos that I filmed 2 months ago have tons of information in them, like the Budapest walking tour, the Prague Segway tour. They're all going to have tons of information like that. And so I'm going to try and stop my sped up montages with little to no information about what you're actually seeing in them, because I know you guys don't like that. And so, yeah, I'm going to work towards more information and more fun in my videos. I'm going to be filming at least 3 in Paris, because we're going to a ton of museums, and those 3 will probably have multiple sites in them, so look forward to that, because they'll be coming out in about, I don't know, a month to a month and a half. Yeah, I know that's a long time, but I have 8 videos because I've been lazy. So I'm sorry, I'm going to work as hard as I can. When I get back, though, I will be building a new computer as quick as I can with the remaining money that I have from this trip. And it is 9:30 at night in France that I'm filming this, so if you see me shivering, that's why. This is literally 3.5 minutes now, so I'm going to wrap this up. In a nutshell, I'm sorry. There's been a bunch of minor reasons. I've been sick. The Toshiba's charger broke again, so it's really hard to charge it, and I couldn't edit. And I've just been kind of lazy and in a slump. So yeah, that's to wrap it up. So now, on with the video of us traveling from Budapest to Slovakia. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Slovakia from Budapest by train. I didn't make a video in Budapest because, as you already know, I was filming a trailer for a movie, and I was going to film the go-karts, electric go-karts that we did, but unfortunately my head strap didn't fit on the helmet. We wore full racing helmets, so yeah, that didn't work. That's our train right behind me. Not that one over there, but that one is our train. And so it's going to be like a 2.5-hour train ride. So I just decided, because I didn't do a travel vlog into Budapest, let's do a travel vlog out of Budapest. So here you go. Okay, so like I normally do, tour of our whatever we're going in. So this is Gwyneth. We've got 4 power outlets, which I really like, although there is 6 seats here. So I mean, that's kind of ineffective if everyone wants to plug in. But there's tons of space under the seat. My suitcase is actually under there. There's a tray table here, power, USB power up there too, actually. And I'm actually deciding to be productive and editing the Temple of Poseidon vlog right now while I'm filming this. Yeah, the reason I didn't upload before that was, as I told you in the intro, I'm working on a little movie. Yeah, we're filming a movie with her, and we're also working on making the trailer for it. And it's actually gonna have like coordination, and we're gonna plan out the shots, and it's gonna be a complete comedy movie. But we're actually spending some time on it, and I'm also just taking kind of like a break that week, so that's why I haven't uploaded. But this video should be up soon. Yes, greatest invention in sliced bread. We are officially in Slovakia. Yay!